Here is a quick question. Remember when the MK members were saying ukuthi Tina asikhulumi ngabantu, ubaba masekhuluma akakhulumi ngabantu, ukhulumi politics. Don. So, but yesterday when Jacob Zuma was attacking uFloyd Shivambu, they were clapping. Esithi ubani uFloyd bebemenza umuntu. Floyd bebemenza umuntu, kodwa ngoku vuka ubulwana kuFloyd. You guys are hypocrites. I just posted a video on YouTube. Please go and watch because I'm diving into this thing deep. So, little is Ubaba cracking under pressure? Is Floyd putting pressure on them? It seems like they're cracking. It seems like they're cracking under pressure. Because Galoksana, this is not Ubaba coming for Floyd. And by the way, I'm not excusing Floyd because Floyd has been attacking MK and Jacob Zuma and Akala. So, I mean, he's not a saint. The same Floyd Pof Naye, Nani Situbana, he does not attack, he's a true politician. The EFF was, they were dimming his lighting, he's glowing now. Wara. Ngoku ayisengo Floyd yedwa ngokuphume ophume lubali. Ubaba uthi uFloyd sisilwane bebezama umenza umuntu. What's that supposed to mean? Bebezama umenza umuntu. Go to my YouTube channel. I just dropped a full episode on this and the hypocrisy of the MK leaders and their members, all of them combined. Kuyathukiselwa ngoku in public. Okanye ipressure ifumene injalo ke mntaseka, and uCIC khanga thethe negama elinye regarding uFloyd. Siyaniyeka nilwa nodwa. Hayi uFloyd nobaba neMK mabalwe bodwa. We are just watching on the sidelines.